On this 12th of July, the President deployed ministers and deputy ministers to various districts to come and check compliance in relation to COVID-19 regulations. We are at Nebo Magistrate Lower Court. Part of the things that they deal with is sexual offences cases and others which are related to children. Two phases to the visit. One is that we are here to check if this infrastructure, they are complying with COVID regulations in relation to their employees. Do they give them masks? Do they teach them? Do they have compliance health officers? Do they have markings in their courtrooms and benches? We are happy with the compliance. They seem to know. They've got 3 compliance health officers. They understand COVID. They understand its implications. We want them to be effective because they are assisting us to give justice to victims of gender-based violence. The most important thing that we have picked up in the immediate in relation to COVID is that there is a water problem. What we have said to them is that we are going to approach it in a 2-phase. One is that in relation to a long-term lasting solution, the district has committed that they are going to be sending a team to come and to check what is the actual problem and a long-term solution to the problem. The short term in relation to water, what we have said is that we are going to engage the Minister of Water, Sanitation and Human Settlement, Ms. Lindiwe Sisulu, to see if they cannot in the interim intervene with assisting the magistrate with water, because they even say there are days when they have to close because completely there's no water in this area. We can't have a situation where a court in some days is not able to function and they close down because there's no water. What does it say? It says that is justice delayed for victims because the court is not able to perform its duty. We're going to really prioritize it. And we're hoping that eventually we'll be able to assist them to get water. They are crying about water. They have also complained about infrastructure and continuous renovation. And I've said to them, I really don't think that continuous renovation is going to assist. Probably you need a new infrastructure. You can get them a complex where they can have all the functions and then they're able to work. I've also noted that there's poor filing. And I asked, why are you not filing correctly? And they said no, because they were renovating. We had to quickly go and whatever. And the worry is that if you just dump documents like that, it means that paper trail and evidence is going to get lost along the way. That is not necessarily good. It is also going to create loopholes for ourselves. But we have agreed on a template and a tool to ensure that we correct all. But we are generally happy with the institution. They are working amidst all the challenges that they are facing. They are able to work, and we want to commend them as public servants that they remain committed to doing their work. Thank you.